Hello and welcome back to the channel. From chasing the sunset on the trail to casting a line before dawn, this headlamp is built for every adventure. Meet the Fenix HM55R, a headlamp with 1200 lumens and throws light out to 191 yards. Built to handle anything you throw at it, from late night runs to early morning fishing trips, working, running, or exploring. This is the one light you can always count on. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. And now, let's see what comes in the box. You get the HM55R headlamp, USB-C charging cable, bare O-ring, and the manual. The HM55R is all about versatility. You can easily switch between spotlight and floodlight. That means you can go from precision beam throw to wide even coverage with a single tap. The dual lens design is what allowed this light to give you this versatility. The right side has a smooth reflector, allowing for the light to have concentrated throw for the spotlight. The left side, you can see it has an orange peel reflector, which allows for a diffused light for the floodlight. And to add to this versatility, you can switch to red light mode to protect your vision at night or for signaling. And of course, one of the greatest advantages of having a headlamp is getting the light exactly where you want it by adjusting the light angle. And the HM55R is no different. And it has a proximity sensor that allowed it to shift down to protect the headlamp and the objects that get close to from getting damaged. And now, let's see what this bad boy can do at night. Spotlight is 6500 Kelvin cool light. It's great to have the maximum reach and get sharper detail. Turbo mode is 1200 lumen, the 191 yard throw. Great for looking at things nearly 2 football fields away and can run for 2 hours and 10 minutes. High mode is 350 lumens and 96 yard throw. Great for lighting up your path and beyond, and can run for 6 hours and 30 minutes. Medium mode is 130 lumen with 59 yard throw, great for walking your dog at night, and can run for 12 hours and 40 minutes. Low mode is 30 lumen with 29 yard throw, good for sneaking in a snack in the middle of the night, and can run for 47 hours and 18 minutes. Floodlight is 5000 Kelvin natural light. It's great for lighting up your surrounding when you don't need that much reach. High mode is 350 lumen with 67 yard throw, great for hiking or camping where you need to know what's around you, and can run for 3 hours and 40 minutes. Medium mode is 70 lumen with 26 yard throw, great for any DIY project at night, and can run for 17 hours and 40 minutes. Low mode is 6 lumens and 6 yard throw, great for indoor usage without disturbing your family, and can run for 141 hours and 10 minutes. And of course, we have red light modes. Constant on is 5 lumens and 4 yard throw, great for reserving your vision at night, and can run for 43 hours. Flashing red is 5 lumens. It's great for signaling in case of an emergency and can run for 56 hours. So you can just plan your adventure because the HM55R is ready to go. Unlike some other Fenix headlamps where they have the operation button on the top, this one has a large, glove-friendly side switch that make operation simple even in cold weather. With a single button operation, it's pretty easy and intuitive, so you're never fumbling in the dark trying to find out the right light for the job. To turn it on, simply press the side switch for about 1 second. It will start on the last output level and beam shape you were using, thanks to its smart memory. Pressing the side switch will change the output level for spotlight from low, medium, high, turbo, and back to low. And for the floodlight, it goes from low, medium, high, and back to low. To change the beam shape, press and hold the side switch for about 2 seconds. The headlamp will turn off and then back on the other output shape. If you want to turn it off, press the side switch for about 1 second. Once it turns off, release the button. And for red light modes, while the headlamp is off, double press the side button. It will start on constant on. To change it to flashing red, press the side switch. Press it again if you want to go back to red constant on. With a 1600 mAh lithium-ion battery, you're getting more than 141 hours of runtime. It's replaceable, rechargeable. On the back, covered by a rubber door, is the USB-C, which can let you fully charge this headlamp in 2.5 hours, so it can keep going long after the sun goes down. As a walker, runner, or camper, weight plays a huge part in which gear you choose. The HM55R is compact and tough, just 3.7 ounces, including the battery and the headband, while the wide, elastic, breathable headband keeps the fit comfortable for hours. This thing is built for elements, rated IP68 water and dust proof with 2 meter impact resisting, and it comes in 3 beautiful colors: black, purple, and nebula. So being in style is your choice. Let me tell you what I think about the Fenix HM55R. Before we talk about specs and output levels, what's the one most important thing about a headlamp? Comfortability. If it's not comfortable, it's not good. And this piece is very comfortable, compact and lightweight, and with a wide headband design, which makes you wear it for hours and hours with no complaints. It's powerful with 1200 lumens and 191-yard throw. Now this is impressive for a headlamp of this size, and to be able to choose spotlight and floodlight and 2 color temperatures plus a red light, and that makes it very versatile because each situation needs a different type of light. And this bad boy got you covered on all of them. It's rugged, tough, and built for all weather conditions. And on top of that, it comes in 3 beautiful colors, so you're always in style. Let me know if you're gonna get one and which color. Until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.